enjoy what Johnny shows.
Bonjour, we're in Paris.
Okay, this is the main entrance of the Gare Du Nord station. It's like international station and also has a metro. Look at the floor, it's like old style.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go to our hotel now. Don't know how this works. You have to use this big one. You should use the big one. Look, it says no with kids. I don't know. I don't know. They're gonna talk to you in French. Okay guys, so we just passed through here and these things open and close so fast. Dad got stuck, Johnny lost the shoe, but
I think it's stuck, your luggage got stuck.
Your backpack got stuck.
Did I?
Yeah.
My shoe just fell off.
Oh, here. Place d'Italie. Something like that.
Look,
So how do we go down?
balloon.
Oh man, there's no like escalator. I'm gonna have to carry it. Okay.
Enjoy the escalator.
Yeah. Nice escalator. Yo, I see a train. I don't think we're gonna make it. It's okay. I'm not gonna run for it. Wow, it's a really nice looking metro.
So there's like no lights, so you have to like watch to make sure no cars are coming.
I know, the street lights. Like we almost got run over like 50 times already. It's a little crowded, so
It's so crowded.
how many stops?
Is it cargo?
Another one's coming in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
There's another
It's this place, the Italy in the front.
Okay, guys.
Okay, get in. Let these people out. That's where we are. And it's the last one.
Gare d'Austerlitz. Attention à la marche en descendant du train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Achten Sie auf den Abstand zwischen Zug und Bahnsteigkante.
I like it when it curves.
Yeah.
This thing here. It's like the articulated bus.
Yeah, but like in train form.
All change. This train terminates here. Endhaltestelle. Bitte alle Fahrgäste auszusteigen.
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, so we're out. It's raining. It's like not even that late. What time is it? It's like 4 p.m. No?
Oh, 5 p.m.
Guys, we get out of the elevator. Let's check out the room.
Okay. I don't know, it's 407.
Johnny's crazy.
closet? What is this here? We got this
Where's
big
the balloon? Where's my balloon? We have sink. Ironing board, hangers, and a broom.
You have this bed here. Where's Johnny?
That's fine. Even outside. Oh, I heard something. Something is behind
Knock
us.
knock.
What?
Johnny!
Hiding.
We have a light here.
Oh my gosh, look at this side. You have a kitchen, a mini kitchen. With
What?
a little dishwasher.
Use some super washer.
Sponge. Are you scrubbing yourself?
Yeah, I'm taking a shower.
Hello.
Fridge. Microwave.
Hey, check this out.
Oh my god, look at this view.
That view is... It's a star! Amazing.
Guys, this is like really crazy.
What?
There's a reindeer there, and we can see all these like
Stores?
Store.
Like a little mall?
It's a mall actually. Look, there is the first. This is actually the second floor.
Zero.
Zero, yeah. And then-
Hey guys! Where are you?
oh my god, close the window. I think it's still echoing. Yo, close the lights. Close the lights. This is ours. And for me.
That's ours. This is
Oh, it looks a little different. So this is the bathroom. Or the kitchen looks a little different.
Look, it's like a letter F.
Oh my god, we actually have separate beds.
This is the same view.
Mom, can I check out?
So we have the same view pretty much. They're a little over there to the left.
Wait, let's see. Hello? Yeah, I'm good. Yes. Hi guys, today we're going to ride the tram and bus.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to ride some trams, or I don't know if they're trolleys, not sure.
We are trolleys.
And buses in Paris. So we just got done eating our crepes. We had breakfast. What?
And Johnny's going crazy.
Johnny's all like sugared up. He had Nutella with banana. I'll put a picture in. Whoa! Check this articulated bus. Two of them. I don't know where's the bus stop. The highway.
Let me see.
Turning, turning, turning. It's a hybrid. Hybrid. So this looks like a bus stop. Bus stop. You can connect your phone here.
27?
Sure. Press 27. What is that?
Others.
27.
Boys, it's see. You're here. And where are we going? Oh, here it tells you what stops it goes to. So this is 27. Whoa. So let's see how people get on first.
A kitten.
Let's wait for everybody to get on
Dog.
so we can see.
A kitten. He goes.
What? We are turning. Wow.
Here comes the tram.
You have 2 tickets?
Hold on to the pole.
Été universitaire.
Yes, you want to okay? Let's see. What did you do with the metro?
It's all no, it's just been by itself.
Oh no.
Voilà. Pont du Gare Du Nord.
This is the last stop.
Pont du Gare.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please check out Johnny Shows Gaming. Until next time.
See what Johnny shows next. See what Johnny shows next.